World's most amazing vacuum trucks you must see. Welcome to a deep dive into the world of vacuum trucks, where innovation and engineering come together to create some of the most powerful and versatile vehicles in the industry. These remarkable machines are designed to tackle a wide range of challenging tasks, from cleaning up hazardous materials to handling tough excavation projects. Their unique abilities make them indispensable tools in various sectors, including construction, municipal services, and environmental management. Ewers Tiefbau. The Ewers Tiefbau vacuum truck is a true marvel of modern engineering, known for its robustness and efficiency in handling demanding excavation and cleanup tasks. Designed with advanced suction technology, this truck excels in removing soil, sludge, and debris from construction sites and other challenging environments. Its high-powered vacuum system ensures that even the toughest materials can be efficiently collected and transported, making it an invaluable asset in large-scale projects. What sets the Ewers Tiefbau vacuum truck apart is its versatility and adaptability. It comes equipped with features that allow it to tackle a variety of applications, from sewer cleaning to excavation work. The truck's design includes a large high-capacity tank that can handle substantial volumes of material, reducing the need for frequent disposal trips. Additionally, its advanced filtration system ensures that collected materials are effectively separated from the air, minimizing environmental impact and enhancing overall efficiency. With its impressive performance and multifunctional capabilities, the Ewers Tiefbau vacuum truck is a standout in the realm of industrial vacuum solutions. Muller Machine. Muller Machine vacuum trucks are renowned for their exceptional durability and high performance. Engineered to meet the rigorous demands of industrial cleaning and material handling, these trucks are built to withstand tough conditions while delivering reliable results. The Muller Machine vacuum truck features a powerful suction system that excels in removing a wide range of materials, from hazardous waste to construction debris. One of the key strengths of the Muller Machine vacuum truck is its advanced control systems, which allow operators to adjust suction power and other parameters with precision. This flexibility ensures that the truck can handle various types of materials and tasks efficiently. The truck's robust construction and high-quality components contribute to its long-lasting performance, making it a dependable choice for heavy-duty applications. Whether used in municipal services or industrial settings, the Muller Machine vacuum truck provides the power and reliability needed to tackle complex cleaning and material handling challenges. SuperVac. SuperVac is a leading name in the vacuum truck industry, known for its innovative designs and high-performance capabilities. These vacuum trucks are engineered to handle a diverse range of tasks, from vacuuming up debris and liquids to performing intricate cleanup operations. The SuperVac vacuum truck is equipped with state-of-the-art technology that enhances its suction power and efficiency, making it a top choice for various industrial and municipal applications. The SuperVac vacuum truck stands out for its user-friendly features and advanced safety systems. It includes intuitive controls that allow operators to easily manage suction power and other settings, ensuring precise and effective operation. The truck's high-capacity tank and efficient filtration system contribute to its ability to handle large volumes of material while maintaining a clean and safe working environment. With its combination of advanced technology and practical design, the SuperVac vacuum truck represents a significant advancement in vacuum truck technology. Ditch Witch. Ditch Witch vacuum trucks are known for their exceptional performance in excavation and utility maintenance tasks. Designed with a focus on efficiency and reliability, these trucks are equipped with powerful suction systems that can handle a wide range of materials, including soil, gravel, and debris. The Ditch Witch vacuum truck is particularly well-suited for applications such as trenching and potholing, where precision and power are essential. One of the standout features of the Ditch Witch vacuum truck is its ability to perform vacuum excavation with minimal disruption to surrounding areas. This method, known as hydroexcavation, uses water and vacuum technology to safely and accurately expose underground utilities without damaging them. The truck's advanced technology and high-performance capabilities make it an invaluable tool for contractors and municipalities that require precise and efficient excavation solutions. With its reliable performance and innovative design, the Ditch Witch vacuum truck is a leader in the field of vacuum excavation. SuperProducts. SuperProducts vacuum trucks are recognized for their versatility and advanced technology, making them a popular choice for a wide range of applications. These trucks are designed to handle everything from routine cleaning tasks to complex industrial projects. thanks to their powerful suction systems and high-capacity tanks. The Super Products vacuum truck is known for its ability to efficiently remove and transport various materials, including liquids, sludge, and debris. The design of Super Products vacuum trucks emphasizes both performance and safety. They come equipped with advanced filtration systems that ensure the collected materials are effectively separated from the air, reducing environmental impact and improving overall efficiency. Additionally, the truck's ergonomic controls and user-friendly interface make it easy for operators to manage suction power and other settings. With its combination of high performance and practical features, the Super Products vacuum truck is a valuable asset for any operation requiring reliable and efficient vacuum solutions. Alamo Vacuum Trucks. Alamo vacuum trucks are renowned for their durability and high-performance capabilities. These trucks are built to handle the toughest cleaning and material handling tasks, with advanced suction technology that ensures efficient operation in a variety of environments. The Alamo vacuum truck is particularly effective in applications such as sewer cleaning, industrial cleanup, and environmental management. One of the key advantages of Alamo vacuum trucks is their ability to handle large volumes of material with ease. The trucks are equipped with high-capacity tanks and powerful suction systems that enable them to quickly and efficiently collect and transport debris, sludge, and other materials. The truck's robust construction and reliable performance make it a trusted choice for industries that require heavy-duty vacuum solutions. With its combination of power, efficiency, and durability, the Alamo vacuum truck is a standout in the field of industrial vacuum equipment. Cox Vacuum Trucks. Cox vacuum trucks are known for their exceptional engineering and advanced technology. These trucks are designed to meet the needs of various industries, from municipal services to industrial operations. The Cox vacuum truck features a powerful suction system that can handle a wide range of materials, including hazardous waste and large volumes of debris. One of the standout features of Cox vacuum trucks is their versatility and adaptability. They come equipped with advanced control systems that allow operators to easily adjust suction power and other parameters, ensuring precise and efficient operation. The truck's high-capacity tank and efficient filtration system contribute to its ability to handle large volumes of material while maintaining a clean and safe working environment. With its innovative design and high-performance capabilities, the Cox vacuum truck is a valuable tool for any operation requiring reliable and effective vacuum solutions. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.